Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some Fudgy Black Bean Brownies. So let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need two 15-ounce cans of black beans that are either reduced or no sodium, 1 1/4 cups of pitted dates, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Black beans need to be drained and rinsed, so we'll just go ahead and do that in the colander in the sink. For this recipe we will be using a food processor, so you just need your regular blade inside there. And I measured out 2 cups of beans, so that's what I have here. You're going to end up with some extra that just put in the fridge for later, have with a different meal. The cans of beans, the 15-ounce can said that it was 1 1/2, was a half a cup per serving. So it was 1 1/2 cup per cans, which is why I went with the 2 cans. Left over though, and our 1 1/2 cups of dates, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and our 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I don't think I said it, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 200 degrees. It's low and slow cooking. So we're going to mix this all up till it's nice and smooth, and then we will add our cocoa powder and chia seeds. It's thick and pasty, but I still see a whole lot of beans in here, so try to scrape it down and mix it again. See if that helps. Alright, that looks better. Shall I show you inside? So that's what it looks like, nice and pasty. We will add our chia seeds. And the cocoa powder. Cha. You know what? I'm going to pulse it a couple times and mix in the cocoa powder so it just doesn't all fly up to the sides and stay there. Alrighty then. Got it going all the way up to my lid, making my lid pop. Now it looks kind of doughy. Alright. We will lightly grease our pan. So I have this cute little misto here that has some olive oil in it. You can use Pam or whatever type of spray you have. And then we're just going to pour this inside here. I thought it was going to be more liquidy. It is fudgy. It's supposed to be a fudgy black brownie. Alright, scrape out what's left in here. Done with this, I'm just going to use my hands, I think. Yeah. Alright, so we have that down in a fairly even layer. And now we will cook it for 90 minutes in that 200-degree oven. Oven is beeping. They should be done. Interesting. Doesn't really look any different than when I went in. So we'll let that cool for a little bit and then we'll taste it. The black bean brownies are done. One of my old co-workers had told me at one point that she had made black bean brownies and she and her teenage daughters really liked them, that she couldn't tell the difference between regular brownies and that. So I was like, interesting. I don't know about that, but so in any case, a while ago, as my mom and I were clearing out some of the stuff from her house, going through papers, there were a pile of recipes, and she didn't want them anymore. And so let me just glance through them, see if there's anything I think I would want to make. And there was this Dr. Oz Fudgy Black Bean Brownie recipe. So I thought, well, I'll try that because I've been meaning to try these black bean brownies. So I went ahead and I made them. So now that they look kind of different, I went online to try to see if there were any other YouTube videos, any from his site, from anybody else trying to make them, what they'll look like. And funny thing, no, there are not. There are other black bean recipes out there, black bean brownie recipes. A lot of them had eggs, a lot of them had chocolate chips. So it'll be interesting to see how this tastes. I don't know. Anyways, I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know if you've ever made black bean brownies before and what your recipe is. Maybe I'll try that one and see if it's any better. In any case, I'm going to try this dessert. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Let's see. It's kind of moist on the bottom too, which feels kind of interesting. It's dry on top. Very chocolatey. Crunchiness of the chia seeds. I must say I'm surprised. Tastes like a brownie. Not super sweet, but it has that brownie taste. It's good. I guess I will eat them.